So, okay, so Saturday I start a video. Actually, I'm editing a video. Oh, if you can see, of my Jessie. So Joe knows who Joe is. I'm sure you'll enjoy seeing Jessie in this video. I know Joe loves Jessie and enjoys seeing him because he has a jungle carpet himself who he's having a little bit of issues with. She's come to him a little bit defensive, as we say, and has not realised yet that Joe is going to be her best friend, and she's going to have a wonderful, wonderful life with him there. But my Lily was showing signs of coming out, but has decided to go back in. So, you know, I want to talk a little bit about the snake. I don't know Joe Snake personally, but I've heard quite a bit about her actually, and Joe's concern. He's not giving up on her, of course, but the moment he goes in to approach her, because she's certainly not at that level where she wants to come on out at all at this particular point, and she wants to have a go at Joe. And it's so hard for me from where I am sitting to say this and this and how and what for when it comes to dealing with a snake that is like that. And I'm doing my utmost to give Joe information on how to work with her and to bring her around. And I know it's not easy to have a snake come into your life that is already been in that mode for so long when somebody goes in to get them. And it's a shame that that is how she has developed and chooses to be right now. But I do just keep on telling him to hang in there, because it will be well and truly worth it. And why I'll say that is because I do know that my girl, and I'm going to go over to my girl, Tessa, because the light is on. And why I'm saying that to Joe is because Tessa was the same. Absolutely the same. She was not a girl that liked anybody going into her enclosure and getting her out. But now she doesn't care. She might make out that she cares and she doesn't want me to get her out, and goes into that mode of looking like she might bite me, but she doesn't. And I guess I'm very fortunate that I've been able to learn very well by my observations with my snakes on how to read them. She's huffing and puffing a little bit there, but she'll soon figure out that, hey, she's cool, and she's huffing and puffing too, because I ended up giving her a feed last night, and I did a video briefly of her in hunt mode, as I call it, which I don't see very often with my carpet pythons, but she was certainly in that hunt mode last night. So she was telling me, hey, I'm hungry, Mum, can I have something to eat please? And so I gave her a wiener rat, and that's all she's getting, because she was actually only, well, that red light is red on you, sweetie. I only gave her a couple of wieners, about 3 days prior. So, you know, she's just letting me know that maybe she needs an extra large weaner on her feed days now rather than a weaner. Although I did feed her 2, which equals the extra large basically in weight. So we'll see how we go. But she's also a growing girl right now. And she knows she's growing, and it's summer and it's time. It's time to eat for a lot of snakes and get a lot of feed in. So not a very long video for this video. And you know, I'm just going to pop up some videos randomly over the week. I will try and keep to some sort of a schedule so that people don't get lost and confused and, oh my goodness, guys, when is she uploading? She doesn't upload on these days. I just want to do some random videos over the week as I go along, and if I feel like it, guys, because that's how I have to do it. I have to be able to have the time to be able to do them, and if I've got some time and spare time, that's how I'm going to do it now. So I hope you enjoy just these little ones that I'm going to throw in over the week, and just chat about whatever comes to mind. So Tessa, keep on digesting, sweetie. But you're not going to have a feed now for at least a week, okay? You're going to be good with that? See? Okay, guys. Take care of yourself, your family, and your snakes if you've got them. If you do have them, absolutely take great care of them. And you'll end up with a beautiful girl like my Tessa here. So ciao.